Hello, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Applied tutorial series. In this video, we'll be assisting you with entering experiences in the supporting information section. In this section, you can enter your professional employment experiences. Employment experience is typically paid work, although you can enter any employment experiences that you believe are relevant to your application. We recommend focusing on those experiences within the last 10 years and at the collegiate level and above. So let's enter our experiences. Let's add an experience. Okay. First, we'll select the appropriate experience type from the dropdown. We'll enter information about the organization where the experience took place. You may enter information about your supervisor at the organization, although it's not required. This is a person that programs can contact to verify that this experience occurred. If the experience was a student-organized group and there was no advisor, list a member who can verify your experience. Enter the date or date range in which the experience took place. Note that your experiences will not display on your application in any specific order, regardless of the dates entered. Enter additional details about the experience, including the title of the experience and the time commitments. Enter the average weekly number of hours that you completed for this experience during the date range that you indicated. Select yes or no to indicate a release authorization to allow your selected programs to contact the organization. From here, you click Save and Continue. Please note that you cannot repeat hours between experience types. So, if position duties encompass more than one section, enter the position in both sections and divide the hours and duties accordingly. Congratulations on entering your experiences in the supporting information section and being able to move forward with your graduate application in Cal State Apply. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact our office with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck.